Island girls, yes, we did the cake already. Now it's time for us to do the sorrel. The perfect pairing for our Christmas season, festive moments as a Jamaican girl. Anyways, I'm going to put my water on the stove to go on hot while I work on my ginger. Now I'm going to wash my ginger and I'm going to peel it. Do you know the trick to peeling your ginger is using a spoon? Yes, a spoon. It peels it so very much easier than a knife. When I use a knife, you're just taking off too much. So I'm going to wash that and I'm going to cut them up and I'm going to put it in my Ninja bullet. Yes, it's just quick and easier than the blender, and I don't like to grate it. Why not? When you have a easier way of doing stuff, right? So add a little water to it and you're going to blend it up while your water is being boiling, heating on the stove. I want to hear from you. How do you do your sorrel? What are some of the things that you put into your sorrel? I've seen people add different stuff to their sorrel, but I just like to keep mine nice and simple. Now I'm using 2 packs of this brand here, and I'm going to make sure that I wash them real good because sometimes there are some particles that are in the sorrel itself in the bag. So I like to give it a good wash. I know some people will say, Lady, I wash out all of the color out of the sorrel. But let me tell you something. When it boils, it's will get that nice, deep red. And I find the dried sorrels, they're more richer or more red, I don't know, than the natural fresh sorrel. And we're in Canada, so it's I think it's harder to get the fresh sorrel. So I'm just used to doing the packed sorrels. Now, the things that I usually add is pimento and cloves to my sorrel, and then I'm gonna add my ginger. Sometimes I add the cinnamon, but I think I forget to add the cinnamon this time around. I've seen people add like pineapple skin, like orange peel, and all them things there. Me not really do that. Me just keep my sorrels nice and simple. This is how I like to do it. Now I'm gonna add it. Once the water is real hot, you add the sorrel, cover the pot, lock off the stove. You don't have to boil it. Now this is the following morning. You let the sorrel steep. So this is day 2. I strain the sorrel and I add lemon to my sorrel. I don't know if you add lemon to yours, but I add 2 lemons to my sorrel. So juice them, strain it, add your choice of sweetener. I usually add some brown sugar to mine. You can also add rum or wine, but this is a virgin version. I can always add whatever I want to add when I look after the fact. Anyways, this was nice and refreshing and paired perfectly with my rum cake.